2024 is ending fast, and here's something most people won't tell you. If you're not investing, you're getting left behind. The world is transforming, with new industries skyrocketing, AI, green energy, biotech, and you need to act now to ride that wave. But here's the good news. You don't need millions to start. What you need is a plan, and today, we're handing you that blueprint. Let's talk about market trends. The buzzword for 2024 has been volatility. Now, I know volatility sounds scary to a lot of people, but for smart investors, it's not something to run from. It's an opportunity. Why? Because when markets are up and down, it creates chances to buy strong assets at a discount. Take 2024, for example. Whether it's tech stocks reacting to inflation or the energy sector fluctuating with geopolitical shifts, these movements are creating windows for those who know where to look. The key is to stay informed and not get swept away by short-term panic. Now, let's dive into emerging sectors. 2024 has been huge for AI, and it's only going to get bigger. From autonomous driving to healthcare innovation, AI is reshaping industries. If you haven't been paying attention to AI stocks like Nvidia, Tesla, or smaller players like C3.ai, you're already behind. These companies are pushing the envelope in technology. Next, let's talk clean energy. We are in the middle of an energy revolution. Governments and companies around the world are pouring billions into renewable energy. Solar, wind, and electric vehicles are leading the charge. If you're thinking of investing, don't wait until these sectors fully mature. Look at companies like First Solar, Tesla, or even newer entrants that are capitalizing on this shift. Clean energy is set to dominate the energy landscape over the next decade. But here's the catch. The smart money is already starting to move in, so if you wait too long, you'll miss the most significant growth phase. Biotech is another field pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In 2024 alone, we've seen breakthrough developments in gene editing, personalized medicine, and treatments for previously incurable diseases. Companies like CRISPR Therapeutics, Moderna, and Gilead are leading this revolution. If you're ready to make the most of the rest of 2024 and start 2025 on the right foot, subscribe to Drive Ocean. I've got plenty more content coming your way to help you take control of your financial future. Subscribe now, and let's make these final months count.